Hello once again and welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna be analyzing GBPUSD, and in my video that I made yesterday I mentioned that I was looking for a retracement back to this fair value gap. My bias was bearish. As you can see, we are breaking lows, making lower lows and lower highs, and I'm still bearish, so my bias didn't change. And also going back to our daily, I want to show you something. So recently we traced it back inside this fair value gap. This one that I also mentioned yesterday on my ISIS video. And we made a nice closure below these previous candles, which also makes this one an order block. So going back to our 4, this is our order block. We've got our failure swing. So now I'm expecting a sweep of this high, filling this order block, all this fair value gap, also a structure shift or continuation to take out this low. Nice trade idea. And also keep in mind that we are at the end of the month, which is not ideal for me to trade. And also we are expecting FOMC at 2:30 p.m. and FOMC days are not the best day to trade. So I usually wait for FOMC and trade next day. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.